Genesis chapter 1, the creation. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the deep waters. The Spirit of God hovered over the surface of the waters. God declared, "Let there be light," and light came into existence. God observed that the light was good and separated the light from the darkness. He named the light day and the darkness night. Evening passed and morning came, marking the completion of the first day. God then commanded a space between the waters, differentiating the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth. This separation occurred, and God named this space sky. Another evening passed and another morning came, concluding the second day. God then ordered the waters beneath the sky to unite in one location, revealing dry ground. He called the dry ground land and the gathered waters seas. Seeing this, God acknowledged that it was good. God proclaimed, "Let the land sprout with vegetation, every sort of seed-bearing plant and trees that grow seed-bearing fruit. These seeds will then produce the kinds of plants and trees from which they came." And so the land produced vegetation, all sorts of seed-bearing plants and trees with seed-bearing fruit. Their seeds produced plants and trees of the same kind. God was pleased with this, and another evening passed with another morning, marking the third day. God then instructed for lights to appear in the sky to separate the day from the night, to serve as signs for seasons, days, and years. God created two significant lights, the larger one governing the day and the smaller one governing the night, along with the stars. These celestial bodies were positioned in the sky to illuminate the earth, differentiate day from night, and separate light from darkness. Observing all these, God deemed it good. Evening transitioned to morning, completing the fourth day. God then commanded, "Let the waters be filled with swarming life and let birds fly in the skies." He created magnificent sea creatures and every living entity that moves within the waters, along with every kind of bird. Seeing the beauty of his creation, God blessed them, urging them to be fruitful and multiply. The seas were to be teeming with fish, and birds were to fill the sky. Evening arrived and was followed by morning, marking the end of the fifth day. Next, God declared that the earth should bring forth a variety of animals, livestock, small creatures, and wild animals. And so the earth was populated with these creatures, each reproducing its own kind. God, looking at his work, saw it was good. God then voiced, "Let us make human beings in our image to resemble us." They would rule over the fish, the birds, livestock, wild animals, and all other creatures. In the image of God, he formed humans, both male and female. God blessed them and instructed them to multiply, to fill and oversee the earth, and to have dominion over all other living beings. God then provided them with every seed-bearing plant and fruit tree as sustenance. All wild creatures, birds, and small animals would feed on green plants. This was how things were set in motion. Observing all that he had crafted, God saw the sheer beauty and perfection of it all. Evening followed by morning marked the culmination of the sixth day.